age is 9. Soccer is my passion and I like it a lot. It makes me feel like I can do something.
Brazil's corner. Goal for Real Madrid. Cristiano Ronaldo.
My favorite soccer player is Cristiano Ronaldo. I look up to him and he has a great personality and he can kick hard, score goals.
This run is uncontainable. This pass is unstoppable. Look at this, how far away he gets it. Cutting in past player after player. And then the dexterity of the touch. Plays it.
Dances away from Jimmy Kellis's challenge. Runs past 2-4.
Oh, this is turning out to be a real show.
Wonderful predator inside the box. What a goal!
He did it again. And it's the end goal!
Look at this one. Absolute ingenuity. One touch to caress it. He's already taken this picture 1,000 times. He just can't get the little
He stepped on the turbocharge and away he went.
Immediately wants to pass it sideways to Modric. It's an excellent run and another goal.
Gets around. Mireles tucks it in. Lifts it by Di Maria. A masterpiece.
genius! That's the only word you can't use! Look at this one. Absolute ingenuity. One touch to caress it. He's already taken his picture 1,000 times and he just can't get the little slight curl. Get in there!
Stare so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How